A kidney transplant is a surgical procedure where a healthy kidney from a donor is placed into a person whose own kidneys are no longer working properly. This procedure is usually performed to treat kidney failure, also known as end-stage renal disease. At this stage, the kidneys can no longer effectively remove waste and excess fluid from the body. Without treatment, these harmful substances build up in the blood and can lead to serious health problems. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located on either side of the spine, just below the rib cage. Their main job is to filter waste products from the blood and remove them through urine. They also help regulate fluid levels, electrolytes, and blood pressure. When the kidneys lose about 90% of their normal function, the condition is called end-stage renal disease. At this point, treatment options usually include dialysis or a kidney transplant. Before a transplant can take place, both the donor and the recipient go through extensive medical evaluations. These tests include blood tests, imaging scans, blood type compatibility testing, tissue typing called HLA matching, and cross-matching to reduce the risk that the body will reject the new kidney. The donated kidney may come from a living donor, such as a family member or friend, or from a deceased donor who agreed to organ donation. Living donor transplants are often preferred because they usually have better long-term outcomes. Patients preparing for surgery may need to review medications with their doctor, report allergies, and avoid eating or drinking for several hours before the procedure. An informed consent form must also be signed before surgery. During the operation, the patient is placed under general anesthesia, meaning they are asleep and feel no pain. The surgeon makes an incision in the lower abdomen. In most cases, the patient's original kidneys are left in place unless they are causing complications. The donor kidney is then placed in the lower abdomen and connected to nearby blood vessels. The donor's renal artery and vein are attached to the recipient's iliac artery and vein, allowing blood to flow through the new kidney. Next, the donor ureter is connected to the bladder so urine can drain normally. Once the surgical team confirms that the kidney has proper blood flow and there are no leaks or bleeding, the incision is closed with sutures or staples and a sterile dressing is applied. Like any major surgery, kidney transplantation carries potential risks. These may include bleeding, infection, blood clots, leakage or blockage of the ureter, rejection of the transplanted kidney, or failure of the donor kidney. Patients must also take immunosuppressive medications after the transplant to prevent the immune system from attacking the new organ. Despite these risks, kidney transplantation can significantly improve quality of life and may allow patients to live without long-term dialysis.